good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys two ways to make your Android aesthetic. So as you guys know, Samsung already has themes. You can choose whether you want to pay for it, or if you have money you can pay for it. But I don't, so I prefer the free ones. So I'm just showing you guys how I get in, and here are the themes. You also have like really cheap ones that cost like 14 rand and stuff, so I think that's a reasonable price, really. And then you can just search for the ones that like match your personality, the ones you like, or you can just search for free themes and then you can just search from there. So here I was just like browsing. These themes look so cute. Okay, so after finding the one that you like, you're just gonna click on it, and then you see, guys, this is really cute. Like, come on now. So you can just download it, but in order to download it you'll have to create a Samsung account, which is very easy, very simple to do. Just use your Google or create an account. I mean, how hard can it be? So, and that is all, you guys. These themes are so cute, I couldn't stop just scrolling. Okay, so yes, that is how you do it. So now I'm about to show you guys the second option, which is using Pinterest. You don't have to download the app, you can just go to Google and use the website, Pinterest website, and then you're gonna go ahead and search for aesthetic themes, and you're just gonna find some really cute pictures, and again you'll just scroll until you find the one that you like. Yeah, there's plenty of options here. Look at the flowers, it's so cute. Okay, so here you can download the image, very easy. Hold on. So you guys see me, I just keep scrolling, and it's very hard to like please me, I don't want to pick something just because I want to pick something that's, I feel like, this one is the one. So I already had a purple one, so I was like, no, I cannot choose another purple one because there's something I also want to show you guys. Okay, so I just kept scrolling and looking and looking and looking. You see, that is me, that is how I roll. Okay, so finally I found something that I like at last. After some time of scrolling, I finally find something that I like. Okay, so simple, you download the image and boom, it's on your gallery. Very, very nice. I went to settings to change the wallpaper. Okay. So as you can see, I just selected that image I downloaded from Pinterest, and then chose if I want to set it as a home screen or lock screen, and I set it as both. So see, this is this is the important step right here. So after selecting your image, there's this really cool feature that you can change like your notification thingy you see on top and make it pink. You feel me? Okay, so it was purple with the purple background, and now it's pink with this background. You feel me? Ha ha ha. I feel like this is really cool. I really love Android. I really love Android. It's very easy to maintain. You see? So I'm just showing you guys the difference. The difference. Now this really makes the phone aesthetic, okay? Because it goes well with the wallpaper. It looks like a cool theme. It's like you created your own theme. You feel me? You feel me? Ah, you guys don't feel me. You guys don't feel me. So I don't know if this happens with other Android phones, but with Samsung, I'm 100% sure that it does. So yeah, look, just look, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys, I was just so excited. Yeah, I was very excited. Okay guys, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. I feel like I'll be doing more phone videos than vlogs because I don't go out really. So yeah, this kind of match my vibe. Right, so yeah guys, thank you guys, bye. And also thank you for 105 subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you very much.